Well, it's a bit cooler today, but the sun is out. First time we've had the sun out for literally a long time. Anyway, right now it's 11.5. Overnight it was 11.3, and yesterday it was 15 point something or other, 15.8 during the day. So it's a bit cooler today, and maybe there was some rain overnight. Yeah, well, we'll call that 7 millimeters. There we go. Well, the sun is out. You can see the shadows over there, and the sun's shining on the field beyond there, and there's the lambs over there running away, frightened of me, and sheep over there. That's it.